Bianca, yes, I know nti Bianca mwana muto, but at least he's trying to earn an income. What Bianca is doing now is what Kabata was doing 30 years ago. Ayambala ebitete nakola pini nayambala wig. That was Kabata 30 fucking years ago. Kabata is almost 60 now. Atenno ye Kabata ebyo ebintu bikolera yali musajja mukulu. Tamusajja mukulu ng'asobola kugenda nayo kyamanda. But because he's fucking lazy, he cannot work. Because he's lazy, he cannot do jobs that real men do. Yadda mu kwambala mbiteteeyi na kwambala wigi na kwetekako lipstick atumansulire. Today amanyira omwana nga Bianca. I understand Bianca needs guidance. I really believe that, but he does not need a lot of hatred. He does not deserve it. Because who gave him opportunities and he did not take advantage of them? Nobody. He's just a kid. He should be what, 15, 16? Nemumulemerako nemumuvuma nemukola mutya nze nali njagala mukwata mukubembooko mutwale ku ssomero. Kuba nange abange nyinza obbagalamiza ne mbakubembooko. Kabata n'ofiira ku Bianca n'omufiirako y'omwana omuzaala. Wina n'abaana abakulu abasinga Bianca. Temulemera nnyo ku mwana. He's a kid. Oyo mwana tumuzaala muto waffe mwana waffe. Temulemezaamu nnyo mumulungamye mubulire ekituufu mu kifo ky'omuwalana. Bianca temumuwa mulimu. Bianca nga gwe baagukuwa. Mulova ku TV. Nga abaana b'abantu nga abaali ba baby nga tukulabirako. Because of you, Bianca thinks it's okay a man okwambala ekiteeteeyi and you earn money because of you. Because of you. Waberanga ku TV. Because of you, there are young boys out there that knew you were a guy naye oyambala ebiteeteeyi. Because of you. You enabled that. You enabled and encouraged cross-dressing in the country. So don't tell us any shit. Yes, wayambalanga ebiteeteeyi, noyambala lipstick, noyambala wig, nojja nozina ekimansulo. So abaana abato of that time bakulabirako and they thought it's okay. You are one of the people that should be charged for misleading the youth, Oliao, because you could not work. I don't know if you went to school. I know people that went to school with you at Bugema, Adventist. Abantu mewasoma nabo bebano wamanga. Juliana Kanyomozi, Irene Namubiru, Peter Miles. None of them is a cross-dresser. They have jobs. You have no job. Oliku TikTok, we walana ne Bianca.